Sorry for without posting the videos. Hereafter, we are going to upload 3 videos in a week. In this video, we are going to see how to smoothen the photo by using a plugin in Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Let's get started. Open Photoshop. If you don't have the software, kindly download it from the link in the description. Click Open. Select the image. Unlock the image layer. Copy the image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. The first step, go to the Filter, Photo Toolbox, Skin Thinner. This is the before and after slide. Now we are going to smoothen. Now slightly increase the level of the amount, fine, medium, coarse, the balance. Increase the brightness and the contrast if you need. Hit OK. Okay, we have done. This is the before, and this is the after. If you have any doubts regarding this video, kindly drop your words in the comment section. Thank you.